Ever feel like your workday is running you instead of the other way around? Meetings, messages, tasks, it's all in Microsoft Teams. But tracking your time? Well, that's usually a different story. Microsoft Teams is great for staying connected, but adding timekeeping might get things messy. So, how do you keep track of all those minutes and hours without losing your mind? Meet Tracking Time, the time management sidekick you didn't know you needed. First, sign up to Tracking Time. Think of it as your all-in-one command center. Track hours, monitor projects, and report with ease. It's like giving Microsoft Teams a turbo boost. Next, add the Tracking Time tab inside Microsoft Teams. Just search, click, and you're ready to roll. Finally, log in and let the magic begin. Create tasks, start timers, and get down to business, all without ever leaving Microsoft Teams. Whether you're managing a project or just trying to keep track of your own work, Tracking Time keeps everything organized. No more guessing where the day went, just clear, actionable insights. You'll love the reports. You'll love the insights. But most of all, you'll love how easy it is to keep your projects moving forward without all the time-sucking hassle. So, what are you waiting for? Supercharge your Microsoft Teams with Tracking Time today. Turn your time into a well-oiled productivity machine and make every second count.